Hey, what up? So you lost something in slides. You might be able to get it back. I mean, of course, there's the undo button. If that doesn't work, if you go here beside help, you'll see this where it says last edit was 3 days ago. If you click on that, you'll see that there are other versions available. So if I click on one of the older ones, it'll show me what it was at that point. Here's another one. It shows me what it was at that point. If that's the one I want, I can just press restore this version and it will turn it into that version. Okay. So if they deleted a bunch of stuff, chances are there's a version of it where that stuff is back. Maybe there's one that happened after they had done all their work. Maybe not. You'll just have to see what's in there. No way to tell. If for whatever reason you can't see this, this link here, it might be because you're zoomed in too far in your browser, and sometimes these buttons like cover it up. So zooming out might help if you can't see it. All right, I hope this helps. I hope they get their stuff back. Okay, bye.